do it again. I guess that's one way of bringing the fish in. Yeah, he called it in, folks. Been about 20 seconds.
Just two.
See how well that worked? Let's see that. Let's see that fish, Esai. Might be scaring him with that call. Who knows?
Oh my goodness!
Well, you got a big fish?
Come on. Where's the fish? On my pole. Oh, there it is, isn't it? Yep. One more. There you go.
Nobody's catching fish on my rods but me. Pulling drags because you're pulling so fast.
Oh my goodness! Oh!
Hey, what are you doing? Don't pull so hard. You're going to break everything. Well, you got a big ass cat on that little tiny perch line? I told you it was going to happen. He goes running like a madman. Oh, you're lucky you got a baby cat.